It all began in 2016 when Rotaractor Paveen took up the role of Rotary and Rotaract Coordinator in the Rotaract Club of University of Muruttua. From there, his passion for service and leadership blossomed. In the following year, he stepped up as the Co-Director of Professional Development in the Rotaract Club of University of Muruttua, honing the skills of fellow Rotaractors. The dedication continued, culminating in a remarkable 2018-19 as President of the Rotaract Club of University of Muruttua. His leadership not only led the club to achieve the Most Outstanding Club Award, but also earned him the prestigious Most Outstanding President recognition. But the journey didn't stop there. In 2019-20, his expertise expanded as the Co-Director of Professional Development in the Rotaract District Steering Committee. This was followed by his appointment as an Assistant District Rotaract Representative in the Rotaract District Steering Committee for the years 2020-21. Rotaractor Paveen's dedication to Rotaract extends beyond titles and awards. It's about the impact, the connections, and the lifelong friendships forged through service. We are incredibly grateful for your contributions and the legacy you have left behind. This is the Lifetime Achievement Award presented to Rotaractor Past President Paveen Perera.